In this video, I'm going to show you how to block AutoCAD from accessing the internet using Windows Firewall. Start by locating the AutoCAD shortcut on your desktop, then right-click it and select Open File Location. Copy the path to the AutoCAD executable file. Next, open Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security and select Inbound Rules. Create a new rule, choose Program, browse to the AutoCAD executable, and select Block the connection. Apply the rule to domain, private, and public networks, then give it a recognizable name. After that, repeat the same process under outbound rules to fully prevent internet access. Once both rules are active, AutoCAD will no longer be able to send or receive network traffic through Windows Firewall. This can help reduce unwanted connections and give you more control over how the application operates on your system. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.